Nate's garage again. We're working on some toe boards this morning. That's the front part of the floor pans on the car, where your toes go. Take 4. Oh. See, Russ, I can't do this without you. I need you here, man. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you what they look like. It's out of the box. There's some oil and grease on them and stuff. So I'm going to use some Prep-Sol. It's like an oil and grease remover. We're going to take all that off, and then we're going to use a red Scotch-Brite on it. We're going to scuff it up, and then we're going to paint it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's all scuffed up and everything. You just take this little Scotch-Brite pad and you just kind of make it all, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's got to be all scuffed up and scraped up so the paint can adhere to it. So we're going to clean it up now. We'll get all prep off, and we'll get back with you in 2 seconds. See ya. We got 1 coat left on this toe board, and let me show you our progress. I'll get back at you in a couple minutes after I get the last coat. See you in a bit. And we just got the last coat on the toe boards. Well, check it out. So now that we got that done, we're going to start working on the fenders and the doors, and we'll go from there. I'll see you guys later.